The place is extremely empty. It's like almost nobody is here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and withdraw some money and have some breakfast. So I just came back from Watson, and it was kind of a little bit embarrassing because the staff in Watson was like saying we shouldn't be even taking pictures. So that was a little put off, but I was able to go and take a couple of pictures, which I'm going to show you guys. So these are like some of the pictures that I took in the store. This was the campaign, and it's called as the Cow Cow Deal campaign, where I have to go to Watson store to take a picture from them. So picture in the store with the banner, like, you know, if it's a skincare it's 40% and I'm taking stuff. So yeah, basically this is what we were doing. It's a lot of trials and error picture, but this one turned out well. Yeah, I loved it, so I guess this is a good one.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through.
Hey guys, so I've just registered the webinar registration for Ideal Feminine Wash session with SebaMed. So I have a session with them and a campaign that's coming up. So this is to celebrate womanhood with the Ideal Feminine Wash, and it's to also understand more about feminine hygiene.
For your camera, I'll promote another one. Product, you can see at the left hand side like a front.
Hey fam, so today I'm gonna go and do my nails. As you guys can see, my nails is pretty messed up at this point. So I did this nail by myself, like I clean it up, shape it and everything, but I don't have a gel nail polish remover, so I have to go and get this done from the nail salon. And since, you know, everything is like sort of open, so I'm gonna go and take this opportunity to go and do my nails back again. I have to clean up the cuticles, and it's pretty as you guys can see, it's pretty a little messed up. My nails is a little messed up, so I want to go ahead and do something neutral as always, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like soon. I received a cute little note here, says that, "Hello beautiful, thank you for your interest in being part of our movement to celebrate womanhood. Looking forward to meet you during our webinar session, which I've already attended last week Saturday." So yeah, I just want to say a massive shout out to Andrea from SebaMed for sending me this beautiful parcel. And I'm going to talk more about their feminine intimate wash. I think it's really important as women for us to take care of our hygiene, and more of this is going to come on my Instagram, so do wait for it guys, like check them out. So if you guys can see, the massive difference is that it has two different pH value, and one is the pH 3.8 and another is pH 6.8, and I'm going to talk more about it in the next video real soon. So this is it guys, I just want to like show you, and let's go ahead and unbox the other one here, which is actually a pretty big box. This is from Natura, and we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Hey guys, so today is a working day. I'm heading out to the Watson store. I have a couple of things to do there. Well, basically I have a campaign came up, and they're having the cow deal that's going on. I'm just gonna put it down here, like the hashtag cow deals, where they're giving like 60%, 40% or 20% for like specific item on the shelf that has the deals going on. I have two campaigns that came up, and one is with AIA and another is with Watson. So I always like to mix and match my outfit with the brand's color. I think it's always a great way as an influencer to represent them in their way. So I think white is very minimalistic. I just went ahead with this slip dress, which is actually the same color as the same brand color as Watson. So I'm gonna head out and do this work guys. Got ready, a very brief one. As always, I did not wear any foundation. I have a breakout here. So let me just quickly show you guys that I'm not actually lying about the job that I do as an influencer. But yes, these are like paid campaigns, and I always do an extra work for paid campaigns, especially because, you know, when the brand trusts me and give me a job, I want to like deliver them 101%. It doesn't have to be like I have to be a macro influencer to get this done. Like, to me, whatever position that I am, I feel like I have to do the best in everything that I have. I think I have put in a couple of vlogs from every other day of the month. I really want to like include all of you, because I think I've seen a lot of good positive feedback on my Instagram. See, most of you guys enjoy whenever I write about blogging and my experience. So I just want to take you guys with me to show you, like, you know, the life of an influencer isn't all gold and shiny, but you know, it's also a lot of hard work behind it. So yeah, I'm actually running late. It's almost 1:30 now. I'm quickly going to show you guys my email pop-up, and let's just get going. Here in Watson guys, I am actually picking up some stuff for me, although I'm doing a campaign because I really need them. It is the cow deal going on. So let's get the work going. So I'm about to have my lunch here, and we are at Nando's. So these are work right here, guys. I have to unbox all of them today and just do a small review on my Instagram stories. But this here is actually a paid collaboration with White Republic, and I have to publish an article on my blog. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it and show it on my Instagram. And I have a couple of parcels which I also have to unbox, so let's just do them together here. And usually when I'm really busy, I would ask some kind of like extension from the brand, and they're very generous enough to give me an extension, and you know, just to do a review or to write on the blog. So let's just go ahead and open this up, and I'm actually pretty excited to use this because I've seen a lot on Instagram, like, you know, this kind of teeth whitening system, smart system, is actually trending a lot on Instagram. So I'm pretty excited to open and see how it actually looks like on the inside. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. There's a teeth scale that's given here. That's damn cool. Wow. So they've given like a teeth scale to see what is your teeth like whether it's really white or it's in the yellowish shade. It's pretty cool. I want to check what's my teeth actually. So here it says I have to rinse my mouth first, apply the whitening gel on tooth surface, connect and use activating light, 16 minutes treatment, disconnect and rinse, do not swallow the gel, apply the desensitizing gel, optional, clean mouth tray. Okay, this is what I received, guys, and I've placed all of my stuff here just to take a good picture for my blog, and I'm gonna go ahead and post it.